Hey guys, Zakk here from MixChecks.com. Welcome back to another live mixing session as a part of this free mixing course. Again, we are only using Logic's stock plugins in this series, and today we're actually going to be working on the lead vocals in the song called Empires by Radio Not. You can get more information about them in the description below. But it's a female lead vocal. We're only using Logic's stock plugins that come with it when you buy it. So let's jump right in. All right, boys and girls, time for the vocals. I'm a little nervous about this one just because there is so much stuff going on, and some of these are comps, so that means there's different stuff on the same track, and I don't know, we'll get into it, but normally on vocals, that's when I would reach for my third-party plugins the most because I'm going to be using the the Renaissance stuff from Waves, maybe even the Chris Lord Algae compressors, especially the 1176. I've started using that on vocals lately, and we're just going to power through with the Logic stuff, though, and see what we can get. I know your heart is tough. Okay, so first off, though, and one thing, though, is the Logic stock de-esser sucks, like really bad. So I'm probably going to use the multipressor and just use one band. Heart is dark. So we're going to go multipressor. You can turn off everything. Whoops. No. Okay. Yeah, we just want this to get those upper frequencies. All right. I know your heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark. Heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark. Heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark. I know your heart is dark inside. Okay, so you can see it hit that S pretty hard, but I feel like it's hitting other things, so let's move it up a little bit. Heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark. Okay. We're going to go with that for now. I know your heart is dark inside. It's a female vocal, so there's not much going on down here in the low end. I know your heart is dark. You can pull out this 500. I don't know, I call it making it the radio voice, but if you pull out a bunch of 500, it just smooths things out. So heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark. Okay. And so I'm going to go with that. And then I like to do, if I'm not using the 1176, I'm going to do serial compression. I mean, with Logic's 1176, I will do serial compression. Just because it adds an extra smoothness. If you have, you have your 2-to-1 ratio, and then to top it off, then I go into a 4-to-1. So it kind of smooths out that compression ratio. And fast attack all the way up.
I know your heart is dark inside.
And then I'm just going to option drag this one down and change the ratio and adjust the threshold.
Heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark.
I'm going to go to a louder part and see how much it's taken off. I usually just like to take off about 6 dB.
I'm gonna come to you like a fright. I promise I'll take you into the light. I just wanna step in big shoes, but I'm gonna come to you like a fright. I promise I'll take you into the light. I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks.
There's definitely some crunchiness on that vocal. Probably from the microphone or whatever, but I think it could still work in this rock track. It'll just be like adding saturation to it. So let's see what this sounds like in the mix. Okay, we just lost our vocal. Okay, first step, let's give us some something to work with. Okay, let's even this vocal out a little bit. I'm gonna have to automate.
I know your heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark. Heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark. You like trouble, you like drama, you like big step, big shoes, but I'm gonna come to you like a fright. I promise I'll take you into the light. I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks. I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you hide, you fall, you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa, I know your heart is You want horror, you crave trauma.
Okay, we're gonna bring this back down to the level that we had it in the beginning. Negative 4.9, close enough.
You want a big gun, a big chair, you want power. But I'm gonna hunt you down like a lion. I won't stop until you're mine. I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks. I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks. Yeah. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you hide, you fall, you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You build towers, you're empires, but your fame and acclaim will expire. When it falls, you call louder, then I'll set your light on. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you hide, you fall, and you climb, but
Okay, we're gonna go with that for now. One thing is, I mean, she's obviously a good singer. She can pretty much hit all the notes. I'm not worried about that, but I am going to add just a pitch correction to help it out a little bit. So first we just need to figure out what key she's singing in.
come to you like a fright. I promise I'll take you into the light. I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks. I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you
All right. Looks like it's a lot of sharps.
hide, you fall, you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa, I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night.
F sharp. At least that's what I think. And so now that we have it dialed in, let's bring it back.
I'm not afraid of the night. You run.
Okay, and then next let's figure out some effects to put on her. So I'm going to do a different vocal reverb. Once again, we will use, whoops, wrong folder there. Space Designer. Let's see what it's got. Vocal reverb. Let's just go with that. Female vocals. Vocal church. Magic vocals. Female Vox Hall. See what this is like. All right.
Step in big shoes, but I'm gonna come to you like a fright. I promise I'll take you into the light.
Okay. I'm going to do my same reverb EQ in here. Pull out the stuff that I don't want going to my reverb.
I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks. I just wanna hold you till my heart breaks. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you hide, you fall, you climb, but
All right. also going to send it a little bit to the room reverb just to kind of add to the glue. And then next we're going to do a delay. Let's use Logic's standard tape delay here. I don't think I have this tempo synced, so let's do this.
I know your heart is dark inside. I know your heart is dark.
Then we're going to EQ this delay just to be really mid-rangey. Super hard, okay. And dial it back, and then we'll fade it in.
Step, big shoes, but I'm gonna come to you like a fright. I promise I'll take you into the light. I just wanna hold you to my
And then I'm actually going to send part of my delay back into the Vox reverb, just a little bit.
my brains. I just wanna hold you to my brains. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night. You run, you hide before you climb, but
And you can hear those synths super hardcore competing with the vocal. So I'm actually going to take actually I don't know if I want to take all of them, but definitely the ones that are competing. So let me turn this back on.
your heart is dark inside, but the night you run, you hide. And
All right, these two for sure can come down a little bit.
the night you run, you hide before you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa. I know your heart is dark inside, but I am not afraid of the night you run, you hide before you climb, but I am not afraid of a fight. Whoa.
Okay, I think we got our lead vocals in a good place for now, and we're gonna move on to all the background vocals and harmonies and stuff. So, see you guys in the next video.